full name is Amruta Sanjay BANAIT. I belong to Nasik, Maharashtra. In 2019, I've completed my post-graduation with a specialization in machine design from Pune University. The instructors are like that. They have not shortened the class just because the class will become lengthy. They will just get to know about the feedbacks also, that the students are understanding or not, and they're able to attend the class unless and until the students are understanding all the things. I was so supportive that even if we are not understanding some part, we have a stand up at 8 o'clock every day. So they are asking individually that like understood about this, and if you find any difficulty, then contact us at any time. So they are available all the time to us, and they are also taking some individual sessions for us that help me to cope up with this. I decided to study in group, and I started making friends that helped me understanding the topic and making the topic easier to understand for you. So that's the strategy I have particularly implemented within the journey, that making a group of 2-3 people and taking a 1 hour meet daily or once in a 2 days, that helped me a lot to understand the things in my way. For the upfront fee background, I'm thinking like most convincing thing for student is that you are just gaining the education and making your 6 months very fruitful without paying anything to any institute. So this is a very good opportunity for all the, even if you are of middle class, high class, or any other class. Whenever you are getting your job of about 5 LPA, you are getting, then you have to pay to some institute. So that will not be a burden on your parents also, and you also, that you have paid money and not getting the response or not getting anything from any institute. This is a good thing that you are paying after getting a job. Skill versus degree is that whenever you get a degree, you just had it on paper and not in your brain. You're just running into the race for becoming something. Whenever you're acquiring skills, you are becoming more good in something that will give you a job. You are making something for yourself, and for the degree, I don't think so. You are just making it for yourself, because whenever you're giving an interview, so your skills matter more than a degree, because your communication plays a very important role. So I don't think so. Just a piece of paper can make you in a better place. When I got into this, then I come to know that no, anyone can do this, because I met so many people who are just 12 pass, who are from different backgrounds, from BCom background also, BA background also, and they are doing well. Masai has like a pillar, because I don't have even foundation, so I must say that they are like a foundation also and pillar also that I could stand upon right now.